a little longer version of the story. I never forget. We was laying on the bed. My mom, my little brother, that's right. That's young, right on younger than me, because I want to say under. That'd be pause. And then my youngest boy, he's not my youngest. He's the second to youngest brother before my youngest brother was born. He was a baby, and we were all laying on the bed. And I never forget, it was Apollo on the TV, and like we're watching the TV this way. The bed, of course, we're on the bed like this, but it's like long ways here, and then there's a door here to go into our room, which was had like bump beds in for like me and my little brother room, because my baby brother stayed with my mom. And then here's the door that I opened for when the guys came. So we're sitting there watching TV or whatever, and door knocks. So we thinking it's either somebody from upstairs, which is the landlord, or her sons, or whatever the case may be, or grandsons, whatever the case may be. So when they knocked the door, my mom told me to go get the door. So of course, I grab the door. I had to be like maybe 4, maybe 5, because I was, I went to kindergarten in New York. This happened in New York, by the way. This is in Amityville, New York, Long Island, however you want to call it. And this was in the basement. So imagine you were in the basement apartment. That's why when I say downstairs, we're in the basement apartment, and we shared this basement apartment with my little brother's godmother. But she was locked up at the time because she was a booster. But her boyfriend was a drug dealer. Whole type of shit. Whole crazy shit, right? So when she goes to jail, these guys were looking for the stuff for them from the boyfriend, because the boyfriend went to jail too. Couldn't find her at the boyfriend house. So they come to go and look for it at the girlfriend house, which is the house we at. But she lived across the hall, which was a short little hall. It was like we actually shared the basement with her, which was like a room across the way. So it was like 3 rooms in the basement, and then she like right across. Like we just literally we could reach across the way and just knock on her door type of thing.